Today we are going to see max. Today we are going to see max. Okay, we have max class today. Okay, so what is the number one? First lesson. We have here numbers up to 999. Lesson 1 name is 999. Okay. Right. In this lesson, today we are going to learn topic about face value and place value. Today we are going to learn the topic face value and place value. Okay, all of you have to listen, children. All of you sit straight. Okay, don't look at anywhere. Don't talk to your parents now. All I think so had your breakfast. Yes, come on. Sit straight now. Yes, because I'm going to tell you a story. Yes, here I'm going to tell you a story. Okay, so place value we had already learnt through many forms. Okay, yes, stop chatting, children. Okay, thank you. So now listen, place value we had already learnt through many forms. Through many forms, okay, like through abacus, through blocks. Okay, now here comes face value 2. Today we are going to learn face value with the place value. Okay, I'll tell you with a short story. With a short story. Okay, now here we have two persons are standing. One is a small girl and the other one is a woman. Okay, right. Now Shaheen ma'am, can you please call one person, one child from
Yes, 2D Arjun. 2D Arjun Raja. Yes.
Arjun Raj?
Yes. Arjun Raja. Of 2D. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Arjun Raja. Now here comes your question. Can you please read the names which is displaying on the screen?
Clara.
Very good. Yes, Dara and Sona.
Sona.
Thank you, Kanna. Thank you. Superb.
Thank you.
Yes.
Unmute yourself. Very good.
Go in mute. Thank you, Kanna. Very good. So here we have Dara and Sona. Okay. So Dara is the name of a girl and Sona is the name of that woman. Okay. Now both are, see here, both are mother and daughter. See what is the relationship here? They are mother and daughter. Okay. So Dara is the daughter of Sona and Sona is the mother of Dara. Okay. Okay. Shaheen ma'am, can you call the other child?
Yes. 2E Abhinav Sai K. Come on first. Yes. Abhinav Sai.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhinav. Okay. Here comes your question, Kanna. Come on. Read which is there on the screen, that blue color words, which has given in blue color words. Thank you so much. Very good. Thank you, Kanna. Yes.
Yes.
See here. Yes. So, where are they now? Where are they? Mother and daughter. Where are they? They are at home. Mother and daughter, both Dara and Sona. Where are they now? Yes. They are. Yes. Thank you, Kanna. They are at home. Now you see here. Now you see here the same Dara and Sona. Here, where are they? Shaheen ma'am, can you please call
Yes.
someone?
Arshad of 2F. Come on, join. Unmute yourself.
Yes,
Arshad
can you
of 2F.
ma'am, the name is not audible, ma'am. Can you say once again?
Is here. Huh? Yeah, name is there. Arshad of 2F.
2 F, Ashwath.
Arshad.
Arshad.
Mute. Okay.
Okay.
We are going to the next name. Avnishwar. V of 2L. Avnishwar.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, Kanna. Here comes your question. Now see, the same Dara and Sona, where are they now? Can you please read which is given in the red color box, red color words. Come on, can you see?
And student.
Yes, student, teacher and student, where are they now? Can you please read that red color word?
At school.
At school. Superb. Thank you, Kanna. Thank you. Go and mute. Very good. Now see here, the same Dara and Sona, they are at school now. They are at school. But now here they are calling it as teacher and student. The same Dara and Sona, here they called as teacher and student. Now look at the before slide. They are at home. So both are mother and daughter. Now they are at school. Now both are called as teacher and student. Okay. Why this change, you know, children? Why this change, you know? Yes, see here, faces remains same, but roles and values change according to their, yes, according to their changes of places. Okay, all of you please be in mute, children. Yes. Okay. Shahin ma'am, am I audible? Shahin ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Audible, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Girija ma'am. Okay. I'm just getting some disturbance while I'm talking. Okay. So, here comes the topic.
One
Okay.
minute, ma'am. 1 minute. Shahin, ma'am. Shahin, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, some disturbance happened.
Yes, ma'am. Shahin, ma'am. You don't put mute, ma'am. You always in unmute, ma'am. Then only I will able to lock all the children's, ma'am.
I will.
You always in unmute, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay. So, okay. So, faces remain same, but roles or values changes. Okay. Shahin ma'am. Shahin ma'am?
Voice is audible?
Yeah, ma'am, you be mute. Okay, then some disturbance I'm getting, ma'am.
No, if I will go for the I'll get loud.
Yes. Okay. So, children, are you clear now? See, place value and face value here. The only one difference.
Mute yourself, ma'am.
Okay. So, okay, face value and place value, the only one difference that you have to find here is faces will remain same. Place value will get changed according to their position. Okay, children? Okay. Girija ma'am, am I audible, ma'am? Because any disturbance while I'm talking?
Ma'am, you are audible, ma'am, but your disturbance are there, ma'am. Air sound is coming, ma'am. in your
So
mouth.
from which side?
As sound, ma'am.
Okay, now okay.
Also it's disturbing.
Okay, not from my side, I think so, ma'am.
And now it's okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So faces remain same, but roles or values will get changed. Okay.
Ma'am, somehow
I didn't even switch on my fan also, ma'am. I don't know. Someone is unmute. I don't know who is.
No, ma'am, nobody is unmute, ma'am.
Ma'am, voice is not clear, ma'am.
Yeah. That's
Wait, ma'am, wait, ma'am. Okay, you continue, ma'am, the ratio. Otherwise, I will not will continue. You continue.
yes.
Vani ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Vani ma'am, did you log in two device? You are using both device, ma'am.
Money, ma'am, you are unmute and then
Are you
mute and
using both
unmute.
device?
Is that clear?
No. I'm using a single gadget.
Okay. Now you continue, ma'am.
You go on.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You have lot of disturbance in your line. Shaggy, ma'am, you just continue, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Now
So
you continue, ma'am.
Now everything is clear, ma'am.
yes. Okay, fine. Now it's clear. Now it's clear. Now it's clear. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Right. Now see, look at this, children. Even more better understanding, I'm going to give you the numbers now. See here, 1 and 2. Here 12. 12 is the number. Okay. Now listen carefully. 2 is in which place? 1's place. 2 is in which place? 1's place. The same way, here we have 1, which is in 10's place. Look at the first question, 12. 2 is in 1's place and 1 is in 10's place. Okay. Now look at the second question. 21. Look at the second question. 21. Okay. Now you see the position of 1. 1 is in 1's place and 2 is in 10's place. Now you have to listen carefully, children. Look at the numbers. Look at the numbers. 1, 2. The same number 1, 2. We are calling that number as itself. 1 is 1 and 2 is 2 only. But look at the position. Look at the place value. The first question, 2 is in 1's place. But look at the second question, 2 is in 10's place. Okay, children. Now look at the first question. 1 is in 10's place. Look at the second question. 1 is in 1's place. Okay. So this is the difference. Okay. So place value, one thing you have to understand, children, it's very easy. Place value means according to their position. According to their position, the place value will get changed. Face value means our faces will not get changed, right? Wherever you are with your face only, right? Even at home or even at school, your face is your face, same face. So like that, 2 is 2 and 1 is 1. The number is as it is, you have to call for the face value. But place value, you should call according to its position. Okay. Now look at the next screen. I told you, no, place value 1 and 2. 1's in 2, see, 2 is in 1's place and 1 is in 10's place. Whereas the second one, 1 is in 1 place and 2 is in 10's place. Now look at the next one. I told you, no, face value is always remains same. Face value will never get changed. See, Dara is Dara. Even at home, even at school. Dara will not change. Her face will not get changed. But place at home, she is called as daughter. At school, she called as student. Okay. Now here comes the other question. See here, face value. Okay, face value. Now please listen carefully, children. Now look at the first question. How many ones are there? 4. Okay. How many ones are there? 4. Correct. Now look at the second question. Here, how many tens are there? 40. Yes, 40. But the place value is 4 ones and 4 tens. To the first question and the second question. But look at the face value. Face value of number 4 is 4. Because the 4 number will not get changed. The 4 remains same as it is. Even it is in ones place, even it is in tens place. Okay, children, now you would have understood very clearly. Face value remains same. Place value will get changed according to its position. Now see here. Yes. Shaheen ma'am, can you call some child?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Dashwin K of 2D. Dashwin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Dashwin. Here comes your question, Kanna. Okay, now you have to tell me place values of 5. See, listen to the question carefully. Place value of 5. Look at the first one. 5 is in which place?
Once.
Very good, Kanna. The next one.
5 tens.
5 tens. Perfect. Look at the third one.
100. 100 points.
Very good. Hundreds place. 5 is in hundreds place. Very good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Exactly what you said is correct. Very good. Now see here. 5 is in ones place. The second number in 54. 5 is in tens place. And the third number in 573. 5 is in hundreds place. Now you would have understood very clearly. Place value means according to its position you have to say the place value. Okay, right. Thank you, Kana. Go and mute, Kana. Good. Yes, I told you no, but face value is always 5. Now listen. Okay, ma'am, can you please call some other child?
Jay D of 2E. 2E. Jay.
J from 2E. Okay, some other child, ma'am?
Okay. Next is from 2E. Jay Krishna. L. Jay Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Jay Krishna. Here, see your question. Now look at this slide. I want, listen to my question. Face value of 5. Face value of 5 in ones place. What is the face value of 5? I'm not asking about place value. Listen to my question. Face value of 5. Face value always remains the same. Keep that in mind. Okay, Kana, now you just tell me face value of 5 is?
5.
5. Exactly. Very good. Now move on to the 54 number. Face value of 5 here is? In 54 number? In 54 number? 5. Very good. Exactly. Now look at this third one. 573. The face value of 5 is?
5.
5. Very good. You can say happily. Yes, thank you.
Now, very good.
Thank you, Kana. Go and mute. Yes. See, exactly what he said is correct. But face value is always 5. Face value never changes even if it goes to 3-digit number also. You should not see the place. Okay. Face value means the number as it is you have to say. Okay. Thank you. Good. Very good, children. Now here comes the explanation. Place value is the value of the digit according to its position. I told you, no, according to its position. Face value is the value of the digit according to its position in the number, such as ones, tens, hundreds. You understood, children? Place value according to its position. Now look at the place value sum. Yes, Shaheen ma'am, can you call some other child, ma'am?
Yes. G section, Gopi Krishnan. G. 2F, Gopi Krishnan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Here comes your question, Gopi Krishnan. Place value of 275. Now, what you have to do? You just have to tell me so that I'll write it. Yes. Now, come on. Tell me, ma. 5. Which place it has to go?
Once.
Very good. Now, 7. Which place it should be?
10.
Very good. Now, tell me for 2. 2. Very good. Yes, very good. Perfect. Now 5 ones and 5 ones here is 5 and 7 ones here we'll call it as 70 and 200s we call it as 200. Yes, correct?
Yes.
Is it correct? Yes, perfect. Thank you, Kanna. Thank you for your answer. Very good. See here. Yes, Kana. 275. See, we are looking at the place value. Okay, we are seeing the place value here. Good. Now move on to the second question. Yes. Okay. Here comes face value explanation. The face value of each digit. Now listen again, I'll repeat. The face value of each digit in a number is same as the digit itself. I told you, no, faces will never get changed. Face will never get changed. Jai Krishna face is Jai Krishna only. Yes, the same way face value will never get changed. Okay, that is what explanation here. Okay, Shahin ma'am, the other child kana ma'am.
Yes. Karthik M of 2D. Karthik of 2D.
Good morning, dear. Good morning. Yes. Now you have to give me, listen carefully. Here we are reading the face value. Face value. Okay. Now you have to give me, first we have to place the numbers. Okay. 6, where should go? Where it should go, Kanna?
Place.
Yes. 6 ones. Yes. 4.
4. 10.
Very good. 4 tens. And look at the 3, where it should go?
Hundreds.
Yes, hundreds. Yes, hundreds place. Now listen carefully, ma. Kanna, listen carefully. Now you have to say the face value of 6. Face value of 6.
6.
Very good. Perfect. Now tell me the face value of 4.
4.
Very good. Perfect. Excellent. Now tell me the face value of 3.
3.
Very good. Why, Kanna? Why we are writing the same? Why we are?
That is his value.
Yes, ma?
That is his face value.
Yes, that is face value. Face value, will it get changed or remain same?
Same.
Yes, thank you. Thank you for your answer. Very good. Superb. Here comes your star. Good. Very nice. Thank you, Kanna, for your answer. Go in mute. Okay. Now, yes, Shahin ma'am. Over to Shahin ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes. Thank you, Vani ma'am. Yes, here comes the next topic. Yes, my dear children. 3-digit numbers. Okay, we are learning everything in 3 digits. Okay. So in this, we are going to study today about expanded form and the short form. Okay. So let's see what is expanded form. Yes. Writing the number as the addition of the place value of the digit. So now you have done the 3 digits place value. Yes, nothing. What we are going to do in expanded form, we are going to put plus symbol. Okay, just we are going to put plus symbol. Okay, let's do one practice sum. Expanded form. Here is the question. Expanded form. Okay. One student from 2F Kavi Charan of 2F. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning, Kavi Charan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me the number, my dear. Yes. Read the number.
4, 5, 6, 4.
So how we have to read 500?
1 minute, ma'am.
Vani ma'am, screen went off.
1 minute, 1 minute.
1, 3, 4.
Yes.
5, 6, 4, ma'am.
564. Okay, repeat with me. The number is
564.
yes. So in the number column, we have written in ones place what we have written 4.
4,
Then tens place 6 number. Then
6,
in hundred place we have written
5.
5. Yes. Now the place value. Tell me the place value of 4 is
4,
4. Place value of 6 is
60.
60. Okay. Then place value of 5 is
500, ma'am.
500. Now how we are going to write in the expanded form? Already place value you know na? The same thing we are going to add. So now tell me first number what I have to write in expanded form?
Five,
Yes. Yes.
60,
First number is 500. Next number
60,
60. Very good.
4,
Then last number 4.
4,
And what we are putting in between? 500 plus
60,
60 plus symbol is there na, addition symbol. Okay, we have to write compulsory in expanded form. Got it? Now tell me one more time fastly. 500 plus 60
560 plus 60
plus
plus
it should be
4.
there. Plus 4 is equal to how much? Is equal to 500. Yes, come on first.
564.
Very good. Super. Thank you. Start for you. Thank you, my dear. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Next slide.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you. Yes. Next. Next, one more practice sum is there. 900. The number is 903. And the student, I want the student from 2F, Kirti Bala. Kirti Bala, are you there? 2F, Kirti Bala?
100.
Kirti Bala? Mute yourself. Some disturbance is there. Yes. Mani ma'am, my voice is clear.
Yeah, your voice is clear, ma'am. Your
Okay.
voice is clear. The child should mute her TV something.
Okay. Ma'am, I think just check your connection. Not audible. Okay, dear, mute it. I will call you back. Mute, mute my phone. Yes, ma'am. Next time, Kishore Kumar of PO. Above, kindly mute. Yes. 903. So the number is 903. So in number place, we are going to write 3 and 0. Then in 100 place, 9. Now, Kishore Kumar, are you there? Vani ma'am, Kishore Kumar connected?
No, ma'am, not yet. Kirti Bala is here.
Okay, fine. Tell me ma'am, face value. Yes, Kirti Bala. 3 is in place. Yes. Now tell me in tens place what I have to write? 0. 0 place value will be 0 in everywhere. Okay. If it will come in ones place, tens place or 100, we have to write 0 as it is. Okay. Now come to the 100 place. 100 place 9 will become how much? How much, Kirti Bala? Very good. Now we got the place value. Now what we are going to do with the place value? Yes. Yes, we are going to add all the numbers. Okay. Now tell me the first number. 900 plus. Yes, tell me. Yes, 900. Kirti Bala, are you there?
Can't hear you.
Okay. Yes, my dear. 900 plus 0 plus 3. So, my dear children, whenever the 0 will come in between, the value of 0 will be 0 only. Okay. We are not going to change. So, how we are going to read now? 903. So, 900 plus 0 plus 3 will become 903. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Now, the same thing we are going to do in the short form. So, what is the short form? When we add the expanded number, we get the short form. Okay, so fast we will do it. We are going to add the number. See here. Here is the number written. So, okay. Manish of 2D. Yes. Now tell me the first number. Read the first number.
984.
Very good. So how we will split? How we will say 900 plus 80 plus 4 is equal to 980. Yes, repeat with me. 4. Okay, thank you. Star for you.
Sure, Kumar, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Jigmail of 2F. Are you there?
424.
Very good. What, ma'am? One more time.
420.
420. Very good, absolutely right. 400 plus 20 plus 0. 0 won't have the value, so as it is, we will write. So it will become 420. Absolutely right. Star for you. Thank you. Yes. Next.
601.
Yes. So 600 plus 0 plus 1 will become 600. How we will write 6? Then we will put 0 as it is. Then we will write 1. 601. Very good, my dear. Thank you. Mute yourself. Yes, we are going to give you some more practice sheets. You have to do the practice. Yes, my dear children. Now, yes. Yes, ma'am. So, dear parents, on 23rd April, that means last Friday. Okay. So, there was a World Book Day. You know about that already. Okay, my dear children. So, So on every year, 23rd April, okay, in the world, all everyone will celebrate Book Day, World Book Day. Okay, so here today is the reader and tomorrow is the leader. Okay, so book gives us plenty of joy. Hmm? So books gives us a plenty of joy. So when we are reading the books, it improves and triggers our imagination. So book help us to do hard work with courage and hope, and also it enhances our mind, sharpen and intellect. So my dear children, you know the importance of the book. Yes, book reading is very helpful. So you must read the books. Okay, so it will improve the vocabulary and reading practice. Yes, so here is the activity for you. Make a book and decorate by collecting pictures from the magazine, newspaper, etc. Okay, yes, my dear children, you have to do this activity. Yes, collect some old newspapers cuttings, which is very important, or all that, and paste it. Okay, you can do it in any notebook or in A4 sheet paper also. Okay, and post it in the, and we will inform you on Friday. You have to show it. Okay, in the weekend we are going to tell you to unmute and show. Okay, so you have to do it by this weekend. Okay, my dear children. Yes. Now here is the time for you, my dear children. Yes, Aryan, I think, yes, Aryan, we will call you. Yes, Aryan, we will call you by next class. Okay, Aryan? Yes? Aryan, are you there? Yes, we will call you, my dear, next class. Okay?
Ma'am, sapling.
Yes. Now, yes, my dear children, it's time for you to show the activity. Yes, we have told you about the Earth Day activity. Yes. So, now on your video and show the saplings. Yes? Yes. So you are doing the plantation. Let's see how many of them they have started. Yes. You can show the video. Yes, be ready with the saplings. Vani ma'am, you can see?
No, ma'am.
Oh,
No,
yes,
no.
that okay. My dear children, Earth Day activity is there, na? To make the saplings. So you can show.
Nandika ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
my dear. Name.
Nandika, switch on your video, Kanna, so that we could see your photo or something. Come on.
Nandika ma'am.
Yes, Nandika. Varunika also, ma'am.
Yes. Nandika. 1 second.
Ma'am, what we need to show, ma'am?
Saplings, my dear. Weekend teacher has showed you the video, na, about plantation of the planting the trees.
Ma'am, I have taken.
Yes, show me. Yes.
Yes,
So,
if you have photo also.
Ma'am, I don't have that video, ma'am.
okay. So just you can on the video and show the plant, whichever you are growing in your balcony, or just okay. Video is not working. Fine. Okay, no issue, my dear children. You can send the photo afterwards also. We will give you. Okay, we will intimate you to show the photo if it is not
Yes,
connecting.
Nandika, Varunika, I could see your plans through mobile and live. Very good. So you have to post all the photos in the, yes, in a Google Classroom. Yeah, Kana, in a Google Classroom. Yes, I'm just seeing.
Yes.
Yeah, Janani, very good, Janani. I could see. Janani.
Ma'am, did I study?
Yeah, 1 minute. Janani, very good, Kana.
Starting.
Busy.
Very good, Sanashri. Then
Vaishnavi.
Tanshika. Yes, we can see the plants.
Ma'am, the Vaishnavi.
Yes, Diveshnavi.
Okay.
Very good. Superb. Yes,
Oh.
Kanshika, Mithun.
Ma'am.
Yes, Aryan, you can keep down. No
Ma'am,
need
my
to.
plant, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the headmaster Tulasi.
Yeah, herbal Tulsi. Wow, good.
Ma'am,
Superb, Mithun.
ma'am, this my plant and this also, ma'am.
Very good. Both are nice. Good.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rayan. Rayan Mutusha.
Karayan.
Muturasu. Rayan Muturasu. Good. Nice.
Good.
I'm Mokshita, ma'am.
Mokshita.
Ma'am. Ma'am, baby. Ma'am, see my plant, ma'am.
Shami.
Ma'am, see my plant. Ma'am, see my plant, ma'am.
Yes, Mokshita. Deepti. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Nandika, good.
Ma'am, I asked Mom. My plant to one flower, ma'am.
Oh,
It's a coming. Yeah, very good. So, send the photo to Google Classroom. Okay.
yes. One.
And